Hey folks, I just wanted to give you a little unboxing video because I realize that I watch a lot of them and I don't know why. It's maybe just a strange addiction. But I just got my Omni PEMF pad in the mail from Omni PEMF. And I'm very excited. This is the NeoRhythm Pad. And I'm very excited. This is what the packaging looks like. It's a little bag. I don't know what's in it. Let's check it out. I always just want to rip everything open just ferociously. I mean, I do. It's pretty nuts. Okay, so there's a little charger in here for the pad. What's this? What is that? Magnetic field and frequency tester. Interesting. There's a little ear on there. Cool. Then there's a hard set reset tool. Okay. So, sweet. Okay. The Omni PEMF NeoRhythm Pad. Cool. So there's a little pocket. And this is where I will charge it. So, a little bit about it. How do PEMF therapy and NeoRhythm work? NeoRhythm devices send pulsed magnetic energy into the body. These energy waves work with your body's natural magnetic fields to speed up recovery, improve well-being, and restore optimal cell function. So, as you folks know, I have been suffering from Lyme and mold and all the co-infections and fun stuff that comes with having chronic Lyme. So I've been reaching out to some companies to see if there's anything that I can do to just help my body detox and recover from this, because it takes a very long time to recover. And some people don't, some people do, but I'm not going down without a fight. So this is really intense stuff. So I've had a couple of friends who have Lyme use PEMF mats. So I travel across the country with my man, who's a very cool professional mountain bike and BMX trail builder. And we travel across the country all of the time, and we drive. And so I thought that this product might help me do some PEMF therapy while we're driving. So I'll just put this under my seat and be able to get some therapy while we're on the road. I'll also be able to put this under my pillow because sadly I spend a lot of time in bed. So I just really want to thank Omni PEMF for this product. Of course, this company is not going to claim to cure any diseases or anything like that. This is not medical advice. This is just me sharing some of the things that I have been doing to recover from Lyme disease and mold toxicity and co-infections and all that stuff. And PEMF is going to be one of those things that I add into my daily routine of detoxification and trying to get better. So this is where I'm at. I'm feeling pretty good today, and I'm really grateful for the support of companies like Omni PEMF, these companies who respond and care about people with chronic illness. So please support this company if you feel like you need some PEMF therapy, especially if you drive all the time. You can put this under your seat. So yeah, I love y'all, and I'll give you updates soon.